How to blur face in video. Let's get started. Open CapCut and go to TEH import menu and load you all videos. Like this. And now drag your video to the timeline. And play your video at once like this. And then drag the same video on the timeline, or you can copy paste the video like this is. And go to the effect menu. Search for the Mozaic effect. You can search for blur effect as you like the effect. Add the effect to the video by hitting plus button on the effect like this and go to the effect mask as you can see on the right side of the screen and click on the add mask and select the mask. Select the circle mask for the video and adjust the size like this. And then drag the mask to the subject face like this. And then adjust the effect with the timeline video like this and then go to the mask setting to the right side of the screen and then add keyframe on mask setting. And then play the video and adjust the mask like this with your subject face and the keyframes will be added automatically. Play the video frame by frame and adjust mask with subject face like this. For adding some feather, select the all keyframe like this and increase the feather as you like and here is the final result. You can also add second blur effect and hide second face in the video like this. Select circle mask and adjust the size and drag to the face on subject like this. And add keyframe and track the subject again frame by frame. Here is the final result of hide face tutorial. You can also blur other video and pictures like this. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and click on like button and comment if you like the video.